We get told no one time and be ready to give up talking about we got rejected. Think about somebody like Walt Disney who had a vision and a plan for Disneyland, went to 301 banks to get funding for that vision, and each one of them told him no. Could you imagine hearing from God and Him telling you to go do something and then turn around and getting ready to do it just to be told, no, we're not going to help you do that? You have to believe in what it is that God tells you to do so much that no matter how many no's you get, you're going to keep going until the plan comes to life. You got to believe even when it makes you look crazy. You got to believe even when you don't even see how it's working out for you. You got to keep believing because if God put it in you, He going to make sure it comes out of you.